What if your dog could breakdance? Yep, AI just made that possible. Ever looked at a photo and thought, this would be way cooler if it could move? Well, meet MagicAnimate, an AI tool that turns your still images into short, moving animations using pre-built motion clips. Think dancing pets, jogging portraits, or waving characters, all from a single picture. Here's how it works, and why it's pretty awesome. So you start with any image, say a cute pic of your dog or a selfie. Then you pick a motion template like dancing, walking, or waving. Within a few minutes, the tool generates a short video that brings your image to life with that motion. I tested it by uploading a photo of a golden retriever and picked a running motion. The result? A jogging golden retriever that looked surprisingly natural, like smoother than I expected from a free AI demo. What's wild is that this isn't some private tech only researchers can touch. Unlike similar tools like Magic Dance or AnimateAnyone, which are still in development, MagicAnimate is live and available for public use right now through Hugging Face. No waitlist, no sign-up wall. And get this, it even supports multi-person animations. So if you've got a group photo, it can animate several figures at once. Great for turning squad pics into a mini dance-off. You can play around with advanced settings like seed numbers, sample steps, and guidance scale. But honestly, the default setup works fine for casual use. Now, heads up, this tool isn't perfect. Sometimes the face or hair in the animation can flicker or change slightly, especially if you're animating people. I also tried it with an anime-style character, and while the motion worked, the face got a bit warped and the background went a little glitchy. It's still early days, so don't expect Pixar-level results just yet. Also, in case you're wondering, yes, you can create your own custom motion sequences, but it's a bit of a technical mess. You'd need to mess with something called DensePose, dig through GitHub, and manually generate motion files. Unless you're deep into coding, I'd recommend sticking to the templates. But here's where things get exciting. There's another tool on the horizon called AnimateAnyone, and based on early demos, it looks next level. It's capturing full body motion and facial consistency like nothing we've seen before. Once that drops, you better believe I'll be doing a full walkthrough. For now, MagicAnimate is a super fun playground for anyone wanting to animate pets, portraits, or anything else just for fun or content creation. It's not flawless, but it's free, it's fast, and it's honestly kind of addicting. Give it a shot over on Hugging Face, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more cool AI tools and experiments. Catch you in the next one.